again. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best camping chairs in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 12. Trichology YIZI Go Portable Camping Chair. Find a quiet spot among the trees and watch the sun go down in this Trichology YIZI Go Portable Camping Chair. The first thing you'll notice is the shape of the chair, which has been designed to give you all the lower back support you need to sit back and relax without a care in the world. This camping sunset chair is super light and compact, so you can take it with you anywhere. Now even hikers can ensure they have a nice chair wherever they go. It folds neatly into the carry bag and only weighs 2.1 pounds. The construction of the chair is solid, sturdy, and durable aluminum, allowing our lightest chair on this list the ability to hold a person up to 300 pounds. The frame is nice and solid, as is the material for the chair. You can even add a sand cover to the bottom of this camping chair to prevent yourself from sinking on softer terrain. Never be left standing again when you have this light, ultra-portable, comfortable camping chair. Number 11. Coleman Camp Chair with Side Table. Coleman is known for its phenomenal design and expertise in manufacturing only quality and durable products. So when the Coleman Camp Chair with Side Table came out, we knew it had to be a sturdy, comfortable product, uniquely crafted with an innovative design. While it comes with a small table, it's quite portable, making it very easy to carry around and transport. Take it for practically any outdoor gathering, from picnics, barbecues, family cookout, and of course, camping. The structure is held up with a strong and durable steel frame that will definitely stand the test of time. Made with weather-resistant materials, it fares exceedingly well in practically any weather condition, providing long-term use and an excellent value for your money. It also balances well in uneven and even terrain, providing adequate support to the avid camper. The back form and armrests are equally well padded to ensure comfort and convenience. Number 10. Tommy Bahama Backpack Beach Chair. The Tommy Bahama Backpack Beach Chair is extremely popular for the beach and concerts, since it's portable, comfortable, and has convenient pockets. We love that the backpack beach chair can recline all the way and has a built-in pillow for comfy napping or sun tanning. It also has a few extras like a towel bar, cup holder with phone pocket, and an insulated cooler pocket to keep snacks/drinks cold. It's not the lightest chair, but the straps make it easy to tote while keeping your hands free. Overall, the backpack beach chair is one of our favorites, specifically for concerts or the beach, and is released in a new Hawaiian or nautical theme pattern every year. Number 9. GCI Zero Gravity. The GCI Outdoors Zero Gravity is an excellent value when compared to other luxury chairs, and features a high back with headrest, neck pillow, reclining options, and full leg support that make it really comfortable. This chair is the least compact of any we tested, and it's too heavy to carry for long distances. But if comfort is your top priority, this lounge chair is sure to please. Since it's not the most portable, the Zero Gravity chair is one of our favorites for glamping or relaxing in the yard. GCI's Legs Up Lounger is also worth a look. It's super comfy and versatile, since it allows you to recline and kick up your feet or sit upright. Number 8. ALPS Mountaineering King Kong. The ALPS Mountaineering King Kong is tough, durable, and made to last. With rugged construction and reinforcement in all the right places, this chair is one of the few strong enough to comfortably support up to 800 pounds. In cooler temperatures, the King Kong's quilted fabric insulates far better than a mesh chair, which means your back won't get as cold when you're sitting around a campfire at night. That said, it might be a bit too warm on hot summer days and won't dry very quickly if it gets wet. It's hefty and not the most portable option, but few chairs are built tougher than the King Kong. Number 7. Big Agnes Skyline UL. The REI FlexLite is very similar to Helinox's Chair Zero, which we prefer for its slight increase in durability/toughness, comfort, and a more secure pull structure, but if you're on a tight budget, the FlexLite will save you some cash. Both the FlexLite and the FlexLite Air, lighter, but more expensive, are excellent options for those looking for a comfortable chair that's light enough for backpacking, but can also be used for day trips when portability is key. Number 6. Amazon Basics Chair. If you're looking for an affordable option, the Amazon Basics Camping Chair is a sound choice. The Amazon Basics Chair is simple but unique due to its insulated cooler pocket that keeps up to 3 beverages and ice conveniently close at hand. It also has a single cup holder and a large pocket to hold a book, phone, or other small items. This chair comes in 3 style options, including a padded XL version that will comfortably accommodate a variety of body shapes. While the 2 padded models are generally a bit more comfortable, the mesh version is a bit more breathable/quick drying. Number 5. Helinox Chair Zero. If portability is important to you, the Helinox Chair Zero is one of the best options on the market. It only weighs a pound, and it folds up into a stuffed sack about the size of a water bottle. We even take ours on backpacking trips when comfort is a priority. The nylon scoop seat supports your back in a slightly reclining position, and it's just the right height for your legs to extend comfortably. If you're looking for maximum portability without compromising comfort, we highly recommend the Helinox Chair Zero. There's also a high-back version now. It'll cost you a bit more, but it's even more comfortable and supportive. Number 4. Nemo Stargaze Recliner. Nemo Stargaze Recliner has been a favorite in the luxury camping chair category for years due to its exceptional comfort and unique design. For us, the best parts of the Stargaze are the rocking motion and the high back that cradles your head and neck. We also dig that it automatically adjusts as you recline and sit up. Another big plus is that it dries quickly, so no problem if it gets accidentally left out in the rain. While the Stargaze is a bit pricey, it's high quality, sturdy, and relatively lightweight and compact to keep it portable. If you're looking for a unique chair that lets you recline in comfort, the Stargaze might be well worth the investment for you. Number 3. Yeti Trailhead. The Yeti Trailhead is hands down the most comfortable and highest quality camp chair we've tested. It's supportive, yet soft and springy, so it holds you in a relaxed upright position and cradles your curves without pressure. The material is also super airy and breathable, which feels great on warm days. We're not gonna lie, we had a moment of sticker shock when we first saw the price of the Trailhead chair. But after getting our hands on it, we found that it's built to last and worth every penny if you'll use it often. It's also quick and easy to fold, and though it's a bit heavier than some, the well-padded backpack case makes it a breeze to carry. If you're looking for a strong and comfortable chair and you're willing to pay for the best of the best, we highly recommend the Trailhead Camp Chair. Number 2. Kelty Low Love Seat. If you're looking for a chair you can share, the Kelty Low Love Seat is a practical and cozy perch for 2. Its best asset is its durability, with a strong steel frame, thick quilted fabric, and quality construction. The heavy-duty materials do, however, make it a bit cumbersome to lug around. The good news is that the smartly designed carrying case wraps around the chair and buckles so it's easy to pack up. The case also serves as a load hauler for firewood/gear, or a small ground cloth to keep your feet clean and dry. The Low Love seat is comfortable, well-made, and provides a simple solution when seating is needed in a variety of situations. Several variations of this chair are available as well, so you can mix and match to suit your group. Number 1. Kajaro Dual Lock. The Kajaro Dual Lock is an excellent value camp chair due to its quality build and supportive design. This chair locks into a top position that's firm and comfortable to sit in, far superior to cheap camp chairs that sag and bow. The seat also sits a full 19 inches off the ground, making it comfortable for both tall and average-sized adults. This chair is a bit heavy and bulky when folded, but it has convenient shoulder straps on both the chair and the case for easy transport. If you want an upgrade over cheap chairs that are less durable, we highly recommend the Dual Lock, which is often on sale and will last for years of use.